go ahead and get started with our program today to make sure we can stay on time for Dr. Massagill and all who have other things to get to after this. But let me welcome you. My name is Nell Bonds. I'm the Dean of Technical and Outreach Programs here at North Arkansas College. I'm thrilled to be here with you today to celebrate all of these students who are signing today a letter of intent to enter one of our technical programs of study in areas that are so critically needed right now. So congratulations, students. Really glad to see you here. To get us started, we have our president, Dr. Rick Massagill, who's going to give a welcome and a few comments. Dr. Massagill, would you like to go?
Well, thank you very much, and I appreciate what Nell said, but understand there is nothing to me more important than you kids right now. This is your moment. This is your time. You have worked your career to get to this point, and today is your day. And I applaud you for that. I want to welcome all of our officials, chamber members, board members to this celebration for these kids. This is what it's all about. This is why I get up every morning, to see young men, young women that are our future. I mean, when we talk about education, you don't have to always be transferred to a four-year school. We need tradesmen, and man, do we need tradesmen, and we need good tradesmen. And that's my challenge and my goal to you guys. Push yourself every day. Get up every morning with the intent that you're going to make the world better. You can change the world. I grew up in a major metropolitan area of Lamar, Arkansas, population 589 when I graduated. A lot of you guys are from small schools. We're rural in this area, but you can change the world. You can make a difference. You've got industry partners right here that are looking for the next thing that will put them apart and separate them. Why not you design it? Why not you make that? Why not you change the way we do things in this world? I want to welcome you to the 2022 NC3 CTE, a lot of acronyms, National Intent Letter Signing Day. Welcome. You are fixing. Go ahead. Kind of awkward. Hey, y'all are fixing to show something that very few people get to do. You're getting to do something very few get to do. We see it for football. We see it for basketball. Why not? Why not the skills? Why not the skills? What you're showing more than anything else is a commitment to work and to be honorable in that work. You often hear people say, the longest journey starts with a single step. Every one of you kids walked up that pathway. You walked from transitioning from a child to being a professional. You're fixing to sign a piece of paper that is commitment. And what that commitment is for you to give it your best is for my faculty, my staff, hopefully your parents, your past school, your friends, your buddies, support to you to get you across that line. So with that being said, I can't wait. Enjoy the moment. I have 7 kids. I've had some that have done something similar to this. I've had some that signed athletic scholarships. Here's the thing. This is your moment. You cherish it. You think about it. And if I can ask you to do one other thing when you get done. This is a dad talking now, not the president of the college. When you get home to wherever you put your head down tonight, take 2 minutes. And it may surprise your parents, it may surprise whoever you're living with. Go in there and hug them. Say, thanks. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. I'm not going to let you down. If you'll do that, you're going to be successful. And in about a year, I'm going to shake your hand when you come across that stage and get that diploma. And then I'm going to put you to work so you can make a good wage, a great wage, pay good taxes so I can get a raise. Good?
Thank you, Dr. Massagill. We really appreciate you being here today. As Dr. Massagill mentioned, this event is done in partnership with the NC3 organization. North Ark is actually a leadership school with NC3, which is the National Coalition of Certification Centers. So we are thrilled to be part of that organization. You all may not realize this event is actually being held across the country at multiple different colleges all over the place, so you're in really good company. It's a big deal. We're thrilled to celebrate you, and our NC3 partners are here. Some will be speaking shortly, but we also have a video from NC3 that they've asked us to share with you, just to welcome you as well today. So let me see if I can get that going.
So I'd like to welcome you to National Technical Letter Intent Signing Day.
Today, you're taking a step forward. Career and technical education hold a world of possibilities for your future career.
We want to wish you the best of luck and pass along our congratulations on the choices you're making today and the future success you're going to achieve.
Congratulations on participating in this year's National Signing Day for Career and Technical Education.
Welcome to National Signing Day and to your very bright future.
I want to congratulate you on making this important decision.
And I want to thank all the participating colleges for joining us on this very, very special day, recognizing students from all across this United States of the value and the nobleness of technical education.
This was an idea about how to engage directly with young people and bring them into great career fields.
Today you're signing with a school that's going to prepare you for the quickly changing world of work.
This commitment to become the next generation of skilled professionals places you on the forefront of innovation.
This certificate or degree and the certifications you earn will be the proof your future employer needs to know you'll get the job done right.
You'll not only be ready for the first job, but on a journey for a very successful career.
So your interest in educating yourself not only helps you and your family,
but it's also important to your community and to the nation as a whole.
Today, we celebrate your commitment to become part of that great American legacy.
Congratulations to the schools, instructors, and family members
whose support helped make this momentous day possible.
We are here as industry partners to cheer you on.
Thank you for participating in this important day.
We're very proud of you. We're very glad you're joining us.
I'm delighted today to join NC3, congratulating students who are signing today for challenge and opportunity tomorrow.
Hope has a face. Today that hope begins. Congratulations to all of you. What a great day this is.
This country of ours was built by the hearts, the minds, and the strength of its people. It was not by chance that we got here. It was because people dared to set their sights and achieve. NC3 celebrates you. You are the dreamers of today, the doers of tomorrow. Your signature on this National Signing Day sets your sights on success, and we are here beside you. Together, we will build, grow, and improve. There are thousands of you today, across the country, declaring your intent to achieve. Career and technical education is the key to your bright future. That's why your instructors, your school, and NC3 are here for you. That's why our industry partners are investing in you. We want you to certify that you've got what it takes to succeed, and we know you do. We want the world to know what you are capable of. You signed today to formally continue your journey, a journey to the career that we know you deserve. You will transport us in vehicles faster and smarter than they have ever been. You will keep us safe and comfortable in buildings, stronger and brighter than they have ever been. You will use the tools and technology of today to build the tools and technology of tomorrow. You will feed us, keep us healthy, and light the way. Your creativity and ideas will enable invention, conservation, and endless possibilities for all of us. NC3 and our industry partners are proud of you. We celebrate you. So, sign your name and join us. We need you now more than ever. Congratulations and welcome.
So students, a very strong message from our industry partners in that video. I hope by watching that you realize just how important you are to so many of our industry partners and to our future. So with that being said, we actually have some of our NC3 partners today in person with us, and we're thrilled to welcome them. They have a couple of them actually going to speak for just a few minutes, a few words, and provide a few comments to you. So let me take a moment to introduce them. To begin, I want to introduce Ms. Pauline Fox. She serves as the NC3 project manager with Lincoln Electric. If you want to wave or stand up. Bo Reynolds is with Train. John Bukowski, and John, if I need to correct that last name, you tell me. But really? Okay, very good, thank you. He's with Snap-on Tools, and then James Peterson with ATC Advanced Technology Centers. Thank you all so much. Let's give them a round of applause for being here. Pauline came in yesterday to tour the North Campus in the pouring rain, so we appreciate that. I know Bo was here earlier today, and James as well. So I think Pauline is going to start today with comments, so if you are ready, please come forward. Get out of the way. Trade your spots.
Can you all hear me all right? Okay. Hello, my name is Pauline Fox. I am with NC3, and what does that stand for? National Coalition of Certification Centers. We are a nonprofit who partner with huge industry leaders to provide education and training that's going to help you as you pursue this career path. I manage the Lincoln Electric welding program. We also are partnered with Snap-on, Train, who are here today, Kubota, 3M, Greenlee, Dremel, Festo, it goes on. So lots of opportunity there. So I'd like to begin by welcoming you to the 9th annual NC3 National CTE Letter of Intent Signing Day. NC3 was created for students, educators, and industry partners to bring back the passion for technical education and the skills needed to create a new workforce of doers. This event, National Signing Day, was born out of that mission. In 2014, National Signing Day was first hosted at a single institution, and to celebrate the power of technical education and the dignity of work. Through amazing partnerships and programs like the ones offered here at North Arkansas College. Today we're proudly celebrating NC3 National Signing Day alongside dozens of NC3 leadership schools worldwide who are also celebrating their incoming students and the dignity of work. And each National Signing Day event taking place is being streamed and broadcasted live worldwide, no pressure, through NC3's media headquarters. Today, you are an important part of this global celebratory event. On behalf of everyone on our team at NC3 and our global industry partners who are here today, as mentioned, Snap-on, Train, and so on, I'd like to congratulate you for taking the first step towards a great and fruitful career. As you sign your letter of intent today, rest assured your commitment to North Arkansas College will be matched by North Arkansas College commitment to know you'll have the support of people you will meet today here in this room from both education and industry as your education progresses. At the end of today's signing ceremony, please take a moment to speak with the educators, local and global business partners, and industry partners here to learn more about the skills you will be acquiring and the types of jobs you will be qualified for in just a year or two. These people are committed to your success. And this is where it says I should pause for applause. NC3 gave me a script, but they should know me better than that because I never stay on script. I wanted to say my own 2 cents, and that is that progress is not linear. Getting from point A to point B is never a straight line. I was just speaking with Tim Cantwell from Wabash here when we first sat down about how we got here. Your president was talking about how he came from a small town of 500 people. I began working at a gas station, and then I decided to pursue a 2-year degree at my community college. One of my associates with Lincoln Electric, he started out welding right out of high school, also decided to pursue his 2-year degree at a community college, and spent 7 years working on his 2-year degree. He is now the senior education manager at Lincoln Electric World Headquarters in Cleveland. So being here today, you have no idea where this is going to take you. Just by being here, you're giving yourself those opportunities and those options that you're not even going, you'll be surprised where you are, and I can't wait to hear where this path takes you. So once again, on behalf of NC3 and all our industry partners, thank you so much, North Arkansas College, for hosting NC3 National Signing Day and for your commitment to developing the next generation of highly skilled, in-demand workers. And congratulations to each of the students here who are taking steps towards great careers, fruitful futures, and many adventures to come. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Pauline. And I think next up we have Mr. Bo Reynolds, who will be speaking. Just a few comments, I think, if I can get it going. There you go. You're official.
I didn't really prepare anything too much to say, but I appreciate this opportunity. I had the chance earlier to tour the North Campus with Scott and Jeff, so I appreciate that. I was very impressed with that, and the biggest thing I kind of leave you guys with is this is something I hear every day. It's something our organization preaches every day. There's a lot of industries that are really kind of terrified of the skilled services and the aging workforce that's aging out. And everywhere I go, every large employer I talk to in the state, talk to the Lieutenant Governor, talk to Department of Education, the business economic development is the lifeblood of industry, the lifeblood of really economic development is skilled trades and skilled workforce. So I can't press that as much as to all of you. I commend you all for doing this. It's something that we're really concerned about. We've identified the need of almost 40,000 HVAC technicians every year for the next decade, just due to the aging workforce and the people leaving. I work in Arkansas, live in Central Arkansas, cover the whole state for really energy, turnkey work, and indoor air quality. We are constantly looking for good technicians, experienced technicians. Our area service manager that covers our Northwest Arkansas office lives in Harrison. He's going to be here next week, and we're looking to try to just work more with the school from an education standpoint. So if I can leave you with anything, find a mentor, work on your soft skills. That's very, very important. Technical skills are really important, but soft skills of how to work with others, be on time, work with managers. Some of you will be entrepreneurs and business owners. So many entrepreneurs come from the skilled trades and work themselves up. So just realize the opportunity you have, work hard, and there's the sky's the limit. So thank you.
Thank you again to all of our NC3 representatives. We certainly appreciate you being here. Our next speaker is one of our former students, now working in industry as a biomedical engineering technician at Arkansas Children's Hospital Northwest. Whitney Floyd was one of our high school technical center students a few years ago and continued with North Ark after high school graduation and pursued and completed the biomedical electronics technology degree. Whitney, we are thrilled that you could join us. Thank you so much for taking time to come over today and to share your experience with these students. Oh yeah, you do.
Well, I was kind of feeling a little left out.
That's right. Let's move you along here. Actually, yes. Sorry, I can't reach it. You do have a slide. There
Okay,
you are.
there it is. I'm official. Yes. I'm Whitney Floyd, biomedical engineering technician 3 at Arkansas Children's Northwest. A lot of people aren't familiar with that position, so I was going to tell you a little bit about that. I do all the repairs and maintenance on medical equipment throughout the hospital. A lot of people don't know that every piece of equipment that comes into the facility is checked in and has a maintenance plan assigned to it. either annually or semi-annually. And a lot of that includes testing its output to whether it's electricity coming out of the defibrillator or fluids coming out of a IV infusion pump, making sure that it's electrically safe for patients and staff, and also making sure that it's held to the standard of care for being in a hospital environment. Probably one of the most rewarding parts of my job is that I get to go in and fix something, and to avoid a child having to come back for another appointment or a surgery maybe that they've prepped for to get rescheduled. And like she said, I started my junior year in high school. I worked at a hotel cleaning rooms that summer, so I decided I probably needed to go to college after that. It wasn't the best experience, but I'm very happy that I did, and I want to wish everyone good luck, and I hope that your degrees are as helpful to you as it mine was for me. So.
Okay, thank you, Whitney. All right. Okay, our next speaker is one of our current students. I'm so pleased to be able to introduce Mr. Keaton Brown. I've known Keaton for many years, and he is just a great individual. We're thrilled to have him as a student. Keaton started at North Ark in a relatively new program a couple years ago, turf management, and he has been a true pioneer in that program since it is brand new. And I just want to thank you for being here to share your story with these students.
So, I'm Keaton Brown. I started 2020, I think that's when we actually started this, with Miss Buchanan came to my classroom and went over it. She brought the trailer full of hardware. And basically, everything that she had said was what I wanted. I wanted to be outside and working through sports because that's just what my passions have been my whole life. It's been an amazing time through my 2 years of being here. The teachers are absolutely amazing. They do basically anything for you. I was very honored whenever all this started to be a part of it, so I got to be a part of the videos and get to talk to students and meet a lot of cool people that I never thought personally that I'd get to meet, and go to all the conferences and learn that the other side of the story, because I've been in those chairs where I'm just in this meeting and I'm like, oh, what's this for? Like, this is pointless. But this is honestly amazing to be here, to know that y'all are the future. Like, no one else is going to do it but you, so take full advantage of that. I currently work at Big Cedar up in Missouri, and they've partnered with so many other people with kind of the turf side. So with Arkansas, kind of do baseball fields, and all the way to golf, to soccer, kind of anything that you're going to be into, they'll get you to that next step. And then the big thing for a lot of people, and the big thing for me, was I get to graduate debt-free. And that is huge in college. You'll meet so many people in the future that are like, oh, I still got to pay on debt, and still paying on debt. And you get the moment to say, I got to graduate debt-free, and I got my associate's degree. So, but that's basically all I got.
That's very good.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Keaton. Students, he was in your spot just a couple years ago, so if there's one thing that you heard, so many opportunities for you here. Take advantage of the chance to visit with the folks in the room today. Lots and lots of positions available for you. So Keaton, thank you. We're glad you're here, and good luck with everything. Finally, I'm pleased to announce and introduce Mr. Tim Cantwell from Wabash here in Harrison. As one of the college's key employer partners, we are grateful for the collaboration with the whole Wabash team. And Tim has been instrumental in efforts to help us with grant proposals, curriculum design, training projects, you name it. So Tim, thank you for being here and taking time out of your schedule. Really appreciate it. Let me make sure you have an official slide too. There you go.
So, congratulations. You guys are
doing something that I should have done a long time ago, right? Do I need to stand by the mic? Can y'all hear me? I can't be still. So I did things a little backwards, just like she was saying, you know, not everybody gets there in a straight line. Mine was very crooked. I got a full ride to a 4-year university and I blew that. And it started a career, got married, life just happened, right? Had kids, and I was fortunate enough to start with a company that gave me some opportunity, and I made good on that opportunity. And that goes back to the soft skills side and work ethic and morale. And but John Levy had asked me to just, I asked him what should I talk about? He said, well, just tell your story. And I was going to start, well, when my mom met my dad. And he said, no, don't go back that far. So I blew this opportunity for a full ride at a 4-year university. I started a career and kind of worked my way up the ladder at this company that I currently work for. I've been there 23 years. And I decided I need to go ahead and get my education. I need to go finish. And I looked at the technical program, and they had really everything that applied to my job. I was the automation technician there at Wabash at the time. And so I went through that program, graduated in 2012. Was fortunate enough that I was already the engineering manager at Wabash, recruited 3 students from that class that I was in. We did a capstone project that's still saving the company over $400,000 a year in that class. There's tons of opportunity. I can't think of a better time to start a technical career than now. Employers are starting to realize how important you really are, how important these jobs really are, because there's a tremendous shortage of these jobs. And so you guys have this great opportunity, and I will just say this, it is what you make of it, right? You get what you put in it. And it's not just another class, right, like it was in high school. This is stuff that's going to be applicable to you creating value for your employer to create revenue to pay you and well-being for your families. So don't take this for granted. This is such a great opportunity, and I'm so glad NC3 and North Ark are celebrating you all the way this should have been done years ago, and we wouldn't be in this situation, right? So I got a call from a friend of mine in Oklahoma, and he's got the coolest job. He owns a company. He builds custom precision rifles, one at a time. They're highly customized. They're very sought after. They're a premium product. He's looking for someone who knows CAD/CAM and has experience in CAD/CAM to come and help them develop new rifle designs. I thought, that is the coolest thing. And so I was just curious. I was like, what do you give me some sort of a pay range? He said, for the right person, I would be willing to pay them close to 6 figures. Really? I'm telling you guys, there is tons of opportunity out there. But I would leave you with this. This is going to serve as a springboard for you to go on to a 4-year degree and start a career, or just to go directly into a career. But this is where it happens. Today is the day. This is where you change your mindset and things get real, right? And we capitalize on this opportunity, because you have a great opportunity here. And I would say this as well. Be a master of your domain. When you start with an employer, you need to create value for that employer. They're looking for someone to create value. So be the most valuable person that works there. Have an infinite knowledge of that company. Get to know it and be the most important person there. Congratulations and good luck on your journey.
Let's give all of our speakers a round of applause again. Thank you. Okay, at this time, we have a special award presentation that will begin with a brief video from our NC3 partner, 3M. This is on the 3M Transformational Scholarship Program.
Technology doesn't advance on its own. The future starts with students like you, and we need diverse perspectives to solve today's problem. We need your bright minds and eagerness to learn. You need the tools to thrive. In partnership with NC3, 3M's Safety and Industrial Business Group is excited to award 50 $1,000 scholarships to diverse students across the country pursuing a career in the skilled trades. The Skilled Trades 3M Transformational Scholarship will help students pursue a CTE certificate or degree while also bridging the gaps of inequality in our community. You've all signed up to be part of something bigger, to be part of a team, a family, and all of us at 3M's Safety and Industrial Business want you to know that we're behind you all the way, cheering you on.
That whole thing of being a part of something bigger than yourself, right, is really gratifying.
Even me going to the store, I'll, pick something up and I'm like, yeah, I'm part of who made this.
We have customers all over the country, including in your area, who are in need of skilled workers. The programs you've enrolled in can bring you the knowledge you need to make their businesses run. You're inspiring the next generation of professionals to seek out careers in skilled trades, opening the door for diverse talent and new perspectives in your chosen industry.
The impact I want to have is, of course, to get more women into these kind of things.
As you grow, your pay will grow, your life grows as well.
We're constantly looking for new solutions, how to make things better, how to kind of design things for the modern age, the future.
So the sky's the limit.
There's a powerful bond between science and people, between passion and innovation. There's also a bond between you and the community that supports you. We are so proud to be a part of this program and have the opportunity to offer our support. Now go get them. The world's waiting for you.
Okay, so
Technology doesn't advance.
So North Ark is very excited to announce that 2 of our area students were selected for this $1,000 3M scholarship. So first, from Harrison High School, we'd like to recognize Jonathan Lee Green. Jonathan, if you were here, come on up for your scholarship presentation. To recognize Trey Franklin from Kingston High School. Is Trey here? No Trey? Okay, well we'll be sure and make sure we get this certificate to him. Please join me in congratulating both of these students on this. Okay, now is the time for the moment we've all been waiting for, and time to recognize our students. We are going to have our signing ceremony right up front here. Students, you'll come up to the table for your signing with your program area when your name is called. We're excited for you to sign your commitment letter, receive your North Ark cap, and then don't forget, you will get a very special cookie as well from the cake shop here in town. When you come up, there'll be a folder in front of you, and inside you'll find 2 letters of intent. We want you to sign both of those. One of those will go back inside the folder, and then the other one will stay there on the table. And then our health professions group, we'll take turns since your group's a little bit larger. And then when we do the group photo with the cap, we're going to do that together. So, to begin, our first program of study is agriculture with Jewel Whitehead. Jewel. All right. All right, go ahead and sign. Go ahead and open your folder. We'll have you sign both letters. 2. And one stays on the table. Thank you, Jewel. Congratulations. Okay, we'll have her put the hat on. There we go. Good job. Woo! focus in robotics, Timothy Schwartz. Automotive Service Technology, and I'll wait for them to get the table. I'm rushing you guys. Sorry. Our table team. Yeah. If our instructors are here, if you guys would like to stand with your groups in a photo, that would be great too. Thank you. So Austin Adams, Colton Farrar, Julius Hinkey, Micah Howard, Jason Mendoza, Braden Robertson, and Gabe Ward. Congratulations to our Automotive Service Technology students. Okay, our next group of students will be for Business, Digital Media, and Information Technology. Rachel Ragland for Business, Katarina Robinson Business, Jessica Wyatt Business, Wendy Kuchis, Digital Media, Keely Portillo, Digital Media, Matthew Summers, Digital Media, and Oliver Rivera for IT. Our next students are planning to pursue the collision repair technology program. Landon Horton and Kyle Watkins.
Hang on, guys. Hang on. Hold your step up.
Congratulations, Landon and Kyle. Good job. Our next program is construction equipment operation. Daniel Drury, Dakota House, and Joshua Woods. Congratulations. All right, our next program is construction technology. Jonathan Green, Jesse Moore, Haley Price, Jackson Savage, and Eli Wilson. Congratulations. Our next program will be criminal justice with Jaden Barber and Larissa Martin. Manufacturing Technology with Eliza Davis and Wesley Sanders. Our next program area is health professions, and we have several in this group, so you guys will have to take turns. Some will sit and sign, and then you'll swap places, stand and let the other group do theirs. So we have Charlie Beeman, nursing, Adam Black, nursing, Michaela Durance, nursing, Lillian Halsey, nursing, Tia Corkin, nursing, Crystal Idle, nursing, Leah Oliver, nursing, Ashley Hunt Schroeder, nursing, Madison Simmons, nursing, Alyssa Snyder, nursing, Katie Hubbard, radiology technology, Shelby Newby, radiology technology, and Haven Broussard, surgical technology. So y'all just fill in behind if you need to, or there may be enough seats. Do we have enough? Okay. Okay, great. Congratulations. Do you want one? There's, okay, go ahead, yeah, you can do that. Stethoscopes? Or outfit, either way.
No, go back.
They're gonna get one more photo.
One more picture.
There we go. Crawford, Brandon Durant, Aiden Fletcher, and Quentin Willis. Finally, our education students, Alejandra Garcia, Ezra Hayes, Hallie Miller, Destiny Sutterfield, and Jade Williams. Please join me in congratulating all of these students. We are so, so proud of you. This concludes our program today. Students, please know we look forward to working with you in the year ahead and we wish you the very best. Parents and family members, if you would like to take additional photos, please feel free to do so. Again, I want to thank all of our speakers, all of our partners, the entire North Arc team for putting this together, and just thank you all so much for being here today.